If you own a domain name that you no longer need, or you're hoping to turn one into cash, Namecheap makes it pretty simple to list that domain for sale right inside your account. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to list a domain name for sale in Namecheap, step by step, so you can set your price, choose your listing period, and get your domain into the marketplace quickly and safely. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you want to find the section where all of your domains are stored. This is where Namecheap keeps everything organized, so you can manage settings, renewals, transfers, and selling options all from one place. Next, click on Domain List. This will show you every domain that's currently connected to your account. If you own multiple domains, take your time here and make sure you select the exact one you want to sell. It's always a good idea to double check the domain name before moving forward, especially if you have similar names or multiple extensions. Once you've found the domain you want to sell, click Manage next to that domain. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control the domain's DNS, security options, and marketplace settings. On this page, you may need to scroll a little to find the section you need, so don't worry if you don't see the selling option right away. Now scroll down until you find Other Domain Settings. This is where Namecheap places a lot of the extra features for your domain, including the option to list it for sale. When you see it, click Sell Domain. This will take you into the selling setup, where you can configure the listing details for the marketplace. At this point, you'll need to set your asking price. Think carefully about the value of the domain, the keyword quality, the brandability, and whether similar domains have sold for more or less. Setting the right price matters, because if you price too high, you may get fewer buyers, and if you price too low, you could leave money on the table. Try to choose a price that matches the market and your goals. After that, choose your preferred list period. This determines how long you want the domain to remain available for sale in the marketplace. Depending on your plan and your selling strategy, this can help you control how long the listing stays active before you review or renew it. Next, look for marketplace information. Here, you'll see the adult listing option. For most users, you should select No for Adult Listing unless the domain is specifically intended for adult-related content and you fully understand the marketplace requirements. For a standard domain sale, choosing No is the safest and most appropriate option. You'll also see an option that says, Send me an email when this domain is successfully sold. If you want to receive sale notifications directly in your inbox, enable this option. This is a helpful setting because it keeps you updated the moment the sale goes through, so you don't have to keep checking manually. Once you've reviewed all the details and everything looks correct, click Sell Domain to confirm. That final click officially lists your domain for sale in Namecheap's marketplace. After that, your domain is now active as a listing and ready for interested buyers to view. And that's it. You've successfully listed a domain name for sale in Namecheap. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.